Thinking about becoming a real estate agent in Washington state? If so, that's an exciting career choice. And in this guide, I'm going to walk you through every step of the process to get licensed so you can start your real estate career on the right foot. Plus, I'll give you a deep dive into the Rockwell Institute, a leading education provider that can help you ace your exams and hit the ground running. So let's get started. First things first, what are the requirements to get a real estate license in Washington? Before diving into the steps, let's first make sure that you meet the basic requirements for a Washington real estate license. Age, you must be at least 18 years old. Education, a high school diploma or equivalent is required. Background check. You'll need to pass a fingerprint-based background check. This ensures that all applicants meet Washington's ethical standards for brokers. These are straightforward requirements, but they're crucial to moving forward with the licensing process. Step 1. Complete your pre-licensing education. The first official step is completing 90 hours of pre-licensing education from a state-approved provider. The coursework is divided into two sections. Real Estate Fundamentals, which is 60 hours. This course covers essentials principles like property ownership, contracts, and zoning laws. The second portion is Real Estate Practices, and this is 30 hours long. This focuses on the practical aspects of real estate, such as working with clients, pricing properties, and managing transactions. The great thing about Washington is that you can complete this education entirely online at your own pace. One of the top recommendations for this is the Rockwell Institute, which offers user-friendly courses designed to set you up for success. Rockwell even includes practice exams and exam prep sessions to boost your confidence. Why choose Rockwell? Comprehensive online courses, cram sessions that mimic the actual state exam, flexible study options to fit your schedule. Now, if you want to get started with Rockwell, we'll have a link for them down in the description below. Step 2, pass the course final exam. Once you've completed the 90 hours of coursework, it's time to take the course's final exam. You'll need a score of at least 75% or higher to pass. This exam tests your understanding of the concepts covered in your courses, so be sure to review the material thoroughly. Pro tips: use practice exams provided by your school to familiarize yourself with the question formats. Focus on areas where you feel less confident. This can make a big difference come test day. Passing this exam is your green light to move on to the next step. Step 3, pass the Washington Real Estate Licensing Exam. Now it's time for the big one, the Washington Real Estate Licensing Exam. This exam is divided into two parts: state-specific and national. Here's what you need to know. Format: the state section has 40 questions and the national section has 100. Time: you'll have 3.5 hours to complete both parts. Passing score: a scaled score of 70% or higher is required to pass. The exam is administered by PSI AMP, so you'll need to register as a student on their portal to schedule your test. You can choose to take the exam in person or online depending on your preference. Rockwell's advantage: Rockwell Institute provides an exam prep cram session that mimics the actual test environment, and many students credit this for helping them feel prepared and confident on test day. Step 4, submit your fingerprints and background check. After passing the licensing exam, you'll need to complete a fingerprint-based background check. In Washington, this is done through IdentoGo. If you're out of state, there are mailing options available, but make sure to plan ahead as processing can take up to 2 weeks. Why is this required? Washington prioritizes ethical standards for real estate professionals, so this step ensures that all licensees are of good moral character. Step 5, apply for your real estate broker license. With your exam results and background check complete, you're ready to submit your application. And here's what you'll need: completed application form, exam results and proof of education, licensing fee, which is around $223. You can submit your application online through Washington's Department of Licensing website or by mail. Online submissions are typically faster, so that's the recommended route to go. Step 6, find a sponsoring brokerage. Congratulations, you're now a licensed real estate broker in Washington. But there's one more step: affiliating with a brokerage. This is a mandatory part of activating your license, and it's an important decision for your career. When choosing a brokerage, consider training programs. Does the brokerage offer mentorship or new agent training? Support systems: are resources like marketing tools and leads provided? Culture: is the brokerage collaborative and supportive? Take the time to interview multiple brokerages to find the best fit. Remember, Your brokerage is your partner, so make sure it aligns with your goals. Why real estate is a great career in Washington. Washington's real estate market is thriving, making it a fantastic place to start your career. Here are just a few reasons why. Flexibility. Set your own schedule and work at your own pace. Earnings potential. Real estate brokers in Washington earn an average of $58,350 per year, with top earners making well over $100,000. Impact. Help clients navigate one of the biggest investments of their lives. Whether you're looking for a full-time career or a side hustle, real estate offers unlimited potential. Rockwell Institute review. Let's talk more about the Rockwell Institute, which stands out as one of the top education providers in Washington. And here's why. High success rates. Students constantly report high pass rates on their licensing exams. Expert instructors. Rockwell's team includes industry professionals who bring real-world experience to their teaching. Flexible options. Courses are available online and include interactive features like live Q&A sessions. Affordable pricing. At just over $550 for the basic package, Rockwell offers great value for its comprehensive resources. What students are saying. Rockwell made the process simpler and stress-free. Their practice exams were a game changer. I felt completely prepared for the state exam thanks to their cram sessions. Costs of becoming a real estate broker in Washington. Here's a breakdown of the costs involved in getting licensed. Pre-licensing. Education, $280 to $500+. Exam fees, $210. License application fee, $223. Fingerprinting and background check, $40. Total, anywhere between $758 to $1,000 plus. While the upfront investment might seem high, it's a small price to pay for a career with unlimited earning potential. Getting your real estate license might seem like a daunting task at first, but with the right education and preparation, it can be a smooth one. The Rockwell Institute is an excellent choice for aspiring agents, offering top-tier resources and support. So whether you're dreaming of flexibility, financial freedom, or a new career path, real estate has something for everyone. Now, if you want to get started with the Rockwell Institute, we'll have a link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means that we earn a small commission when you use it, at no extra cost to you. These commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on Side Hustle Mastery, we explore a wide range of side hustle ideas, strategies, and tips to help you make extra income, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.